Hello everyone, I'm Neeraj Saripalli from the Chess Pod, bringing you another video in the series that we were going through of the most decisive moments in the World Championship matches. In chess, the World Championship is the highest title a player can attain. And if you can become world champion, you engrave your name in the history books forever. So today we will look at the World Championship match between William Steinitz, who eventually ended up as the first world champion, against Mikhail Chigorin, and this match was played in the year 1892. So let's talk about the match situation before we get to this position. This position is from game 23 of the match, and Steinitz was ahead by a point. So the score at this point stood at 12.5, 11.5. Mikhail Chigorin is playing the white pieces and Steinitz is playing the black pieces. And in this position, after white's last move with bishop to d6, black is in real trouble as his knight is trapped. So Steinitz thought the best thing that he could do out in this position was to play the move knight to d4 and sacrifice this piece in the hope of getting some counterplay with his rooks on the 7th rank. And yeah, it does look menacing, but unfortunately, this counterplay is not enough or is not sufficient for black. So Chigorin played well out here. He played rook a e1, rook captures g2, king h1, king g7, rook e8. So for those of you all wondering, why couldn't black just capture on h2 a couple of moves ago? White has a beautiful bishop on d6, which is actually preventing this. So let's talk about this position out here now. White is just up a piece, and what does black have in return? Black has a pawn. So the pawn is not really as useful as the piece in this position, and white's just outrightly winning. What happened next will blow your minds away. f5 was played, knight e6, king f6. Again, rook e7, and white is threatening to pick up the pawns on the queen side. You know, the b7 pawn is attacked. And until here, it was all smooth going for Chigorin. Now, this is the decisive moment of the entire match. So what happened was Steinitz played the move rook to e2, and d5 was forced, protecting the knight. And just as it seemed like the knight was weak, the pawn is in time to protect the knight. And in this position, after Steinitz played the move rook c to d2, just attacking this pawn, Chigorin should have just played the move rook takes b7. It's important to note that this was the situation, or this was the position where the game could have got adjourned, and Chigorin had the option to seal his move, you know, go home, rest, think about the position, and seal his move, and then the game continues, you know. But in this position, Chigorin decided against that, probably just the excitement to win the game as soon as possible. And he played an unbelievable move over here. Chigorin just played the move bishop b4. And the rest is history. Black just goes rook takes h2. And Chigorin resigned here. He was absolutely gutted. But, you know, king g1 is just met by rook d g2, checkmate. So Steinitz goes on to win the world championship in this unbelievable manner. So what would have happened if Chigorin did not make this decisive blunder and in fact went on to win the game? Then the course of history would have completely changed. The match would have been tied at 11.5 apiece, and probably we would have had a new world champion. The move bishop b4 would be considered one of the biggest blunders in world championship history, and I don't think it would ever be seen again in any of the matches. Anyway, with the World Championship around the corner, we have the world champion Magnus Carlsen, the invincible Magnus Carlsen, against the very dynamic Russian challenger in Ian Nepomniachtchi. I'm very excited to witness this match. Who do you guys think will win? Magnus Carlsen or Nepomniachtchi? Do drop your predictions in the comment section below. Also, please don't forget to check out our website, which is given in the description below, and also check out the previous videos from the same series of the most decisive moments in the World Championship matches.